this sector doesn't innovate. I mean, this sector's just trying to survive. Most people are more worried about whether the chef's turning up on Tuesday, and they certainly don't have the bandwidth, let alone the money, but even the mental bandwidth to innovate. So we thought that by pushing them all together and by getting bigger players to help small players, we could actually spread some learnings.
The overall experience has been really enlightening, I think, because we hadn't considered some of these things before, and the way of doing it we haven't considered before. So I think it's been a really good experience, and it will be suitable for, many other areas of hospitality as well.
The programme has definitely delivered more than I thought it was. I was a little bit sceptical at the start, but I think we'll end up doing 4 or 5 projects that have come out of the scheme. I would definitely recommend the lab. I think, as I said, it really helps you get across a wide range of topics.
Between LMARCS and the Hospitality Sector Council, we shaped the programme. We had to onboard the players. We were very grateful that we'd had DBT on board at the time, and that enabled us not just to have the big players, because let's face it, if you were to look at Azuri or Burger King or Bill's, these are the most tech forward of all of hospitality players.
This has been sort of the end result of quite a long process, surveying the industry, finding out what our wonderful industry of hospitality actually needed, and then finding the suppliers that could supply whatever that need was, which turned out a lot to be to do with sales forecasting, labour productivity, stock taking, as we heard, training, which we're about to hear with One Huddle. The results speak for themselves, so it's both data, but it's also qualitative, in that you've got the operators talking about actually how they're going to use the tools that have been developed.
We were a little bit sceptical about whether or not the Innovation Lab was going to be able to find anything that would be suitable for a smaller operator, but actually the work that we've been doing with One Huddle has been really, really impressive. So I would definitely recommend smaller operators getting involved with the Hospitality Innovation Lab for sure. There's so many small operators in hospitality, around 80% in total, and therefore we make up the biggest difference to the hospitality industry. And there are plenty of ideas that came out of the Innovation Lab that are really relevant. You might not think they're relevant for you right now, but they could be in the future.
Whatever your challenges are, I think you've got to be really clear about what you're trying to solve. That it's definitely worth your time. Time is precious in our industry, but I think you get a lot out of it, and there's things that outside of our own trial that we've just taken back into our business, and we're starting to think about things in a slightly different way.
I want us to be able to lift the bar on labour productivity, to show the art of the possible across the sector, to get the model proven, to get the industry used to working together, and to get them to realise how we can work together to make it better for all.
I suppose my hope to impact really is that it makes hospitality more effective and efficient, because hospitality is so important to our daily lives and to the economic life of the country.
So it's been absolutely fantastic working with Sab and the LMARCS team in terms of the professionalism of the entire project from start to finish. They've made sure that we've done everything that was expected of us, led us by the hand and delivered a great end result. So really, really pleased.
But I really do need to thank LMARCS. They've been fantastic through this process. We couldn't have done it without them. Professionalism, the bridge has been amazing, and their access to technologists has been outstanding.